So you've heard about Salesforce and you want to get started with Salesforce. This is Snowbird, and I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to do that. We're going to start by going to Salesforce's training program called Trailhead. Trailhead is a great resource. It's built for beginners, for admins, for architects, for anybody who is trying to learn things on the Salesforce platform. If you don't have a login yet, just simply hit sign up. You can either use an existing Salesforce login if you have one from work or from a developer org or testing or something else. You can go ahead and use that. If not, feel free to use one of the other methods to log in here. Once you've got your sign up done, then you just simply need to log in. Sometimes it has you go through and pick out some pictures. If you like to show pictures, I missed one. There it is. They might send you a single-use code. So let's go log into the email and find that. There we go. Here's your single-use trailblazer.me code. I'm simply going to copy that code, paste it over here, and continue in. Set up your account recovery if you'd like. I'm going to skip it for now. And here we go. We're in. I've already put myself a profile picture on there, but you can do that simply by clicking your icon up here, go to Profile, and then you can update your profile with whatever you would like. You can add a picture, you can put in information, you can add certifications, whatever you want to put on your profile. Feel free to do so. As you do modules and earn badges and points, your rank in Trailhead will grow. They have a number of different ranks as you go and move along. I'm going to go back to home, and now you're here. Now you really want to get started, so where do you start? Well, they have a trail right here at the front for you, and you can go through that to get started, or if you really want to jump right into Salesforce and become an admin, come here to Certifications, go to Certifications, come down here and find Admin, and here's all the information you need to know about becoming a Salesforce admin. Here's an exam guide that will help you understand the things you need to learn. And then they have some trails right here, so you can just jump right in. Grab this Trailhead and just start going through. You can look at the exam overview, go through the setup, and then start doing these modules. You can simply open the module, and you'll have some modules like this one, Getting Started with Salesforce Platform. When you open that, you're going to see there's a bunch of information on here. Read through and learn the information. And then at the bottom, you'll see this one has a challenge. Sometimes it's a challenge. Sometimes it's just a quiz with a couple of questions you need to answer based on the information that you read. If you don't have a playground set up here, then you can create one. Just simply hit Create Playground. Give your playground a name. They'll suggest one for you, or you can change it to whatever you would like. And hit Create. This can take a few minutes. That just depends on how heavy the Salesforce servers are at any given time. But once it's done, it'll let you know, and then you can launch your playground. While that's waiting, I'm going to launch the playground I already have. So right here, I've read through the information, and I've got the challenge here. So all I need to do is do what it says here. Create a field on the contact object. So I'm going to hit Launch. That's going to open my playground. And it's in a new tab, so I can easily flip back and see, what was I supposed to do? Oh yeah, I got to go create a field on the contact object. And it tells me what field to create here. It's a field type of currency, and the field label is loan amount. So I'm going to copy loan amount, go right in here. To create a field, we're just going to go into setup, go to our object manager. We want it on the contact object, so let's find contacts. And let's spell the word contact correctly. There it is. And then we'll go to fields and relationships, create a new field. It said to make it a currency field, so we'll hit that. We'll hit next. I'm going to paste in the name it told me to use. It didn't tell me anything about the length, so I'm just going to leave that alone and hit next. And I'm just going to skip right through all of these settings for now. Get the field created. Now I've created that field. Now all I have to do is check the challenge. Takes just a minute. It's going to look at your playground and make sure that you did exactly what it asked you to do. Just follow the instructions on these challenges and you'll be fine. Once it kicks back, there we go. Assessment complete, 500 points. Take on the next unit. And then you continue through the units. And you just keep doing these modules. And you'll learn a lot about the Salesforce system. Now that one is taking you through the admin certification. If you just want to start learning the system, you can do that, but you can also come up here and search for whatever key terms you want to. And you'll see here's an admin beginner trail. So now you'll see it has the same module, and there's some different modules than the certification as well, but it's pretty much the same as the certification. So you just go through and start completing these modules and get familiar with the system. And now with Trailhead, you've also got your own playground org, which is a fully functional Salesforce org that you can use and build things on and play with and get yourself started. So there you go. There's a little tip on how to get started. I hope that's helpful. Enjoy your Salesforce journey and come back for more videos and tips and tricks later. Bye.